Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we're gonna have a post review of a company that is called A Diamond Company, Diamond Painting Company. Let me see, because I forget the names. A Diamond Painting Company. Yes, that's the name of the company. This was sent by them. They contacted me through email. They was sent by them a while ago, and they told me to choose one. So I decided to choose this 35 by 45 on a square because one that had more detail, and I wanted to try something. And if you can see, it turns out beautiful. I've been doing this during the live with Annie and Johnny, and I'm finding that I'm having so much fun doing diamond painting while on these lives and anything else, and the cross stitch too. So I turn out beautiful. I had so much fun, and if you can see the details, they are great. Of course, all these diamond painting, you gotta see them from far away. You cannot, go close like this, because you're just gonna see a blob of it. But even here, and look at those drills, shiny. Look at how shiny they are, because we're gonna seal this. Look at the bunny, even close up. Usually this type of diamond painting from far away is that you really see the detail, but even as a close-up you can distinguish that's a bunny. And take a look at this flower. I like this company. I like the way that it turned out. Look at the details of the pansies, of the flower. Look at the eggs. Look, you can even recognize from close up the eggs. Look at those trails. There was not much trash, just usually one or two, but it's because of the manufacturing process. You cannot blame the company for that. I mean, to be picking and choosing between all the drills, you're gonna have a big problem. Now, the canvas was soft. I have to use washi tape because the glue goes all the way out. This one had, let me see. This one had 24 colors. And for me, it turned out, I love it. This one for Easter. I love this diamond painting. I love it. It turns out beautiful. Look at the shining of the drills. And I want you to look closer because I'm going to show you how I seal these paints. Okay? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is cute. Those bunny turns out to be cute. The Easter eggs and everything. It's supposed to be finished by Easter, but I'm kind of behind on the seasons. Too much going on, and Mickey has been sick, and so my fur baby, so I have a lot going on, so I'm trying to catch up, guys. So to seal this type of paintings, I use this Mod Podge Gloss Luster. I buy it in Amazon. I'm gonna have to buy another one soon. And I use the brush and a damp towel, because what I'm going to show you is when you brush the Mod Podge on this, you don't leave the Mod Podge on top of the drill. You have to wipe it with the damp cloth, and it has to be damp. So let's proceed to do this, and then you can still enjoy the so I grab quite a bit, and I go like this, and I try to go in between the drills. And I like Mod Podge because it's gonna make it more stiffer, and it's gonna be even easier to frame. And I am saying easier to frame because I did some for 2 Christmas ago when I started diamond painting for a gift, and it turns out that it's easier to put on the board and it is easier to frame because it's stiffer, so it doesn't bend. So I try to go between the drills, right? And I try to do the first half first. I gotta be quick because I got the air conditioner. It's hot in here today. And then with my dime tower, I go like this. You see the white coat is going away. So I'm gonna wash the damp towel, not the damn towel, the damp towel, and I'll be back and we do another wipe. Okay, just a moment. So we got the towel damp again. We wash it, take the excess of the drill, of the Mod Podge. I'm sorry, not the excess of the drills, and if you can see, they haven't lost their own natural shine, but you can see the Mod Podge in between the drill because that's what is really going to seal it. Okay. And then we're going to do the other half. And when you do the other half, you're going to overlap a little bit from the previous one. So if you can see, I'm doing with the brush like this so it will go between the drills. Again, we're gonna go with the damp towel, damp towel, or damp cloth, whatever. Since we're not gonna use more of the Mod Podge, although it's up to you if you want to give it 2 coats, but it doesn't the drills won't lose their natural luster. And if you can see, if you saw the natural shine before, now this one has their own shine. And you can see the Mod Podge in between the white stuff. But that's gonna dry clear, okay? Don't concern yourself about that. That's gonna dry clear. And that's it. Your drills are sealed. And look at how beautiful this is. A post review. There is a little problem with the gap between the drills because Usually the drills not always are all of the same size, even though they're supposed to be 2.8. And I find that in every company. Every company. So, but it's a healthy gap. It's not like it's a sinkhole in between. So folks, this is it. Oh, I can't stop watching it. Again, look at the tine of the drill after sealing, because you take that coat off from the top of the drills. But the Mod Podge, that's why it's important that you do this movement and like this with the brush like this, you know, parallel, not like this. You do this to spread it out, and then you do this movement to put it in between the drills. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Give the thumbs up, and welcome to the new subscribers, and much love to and peace to all of you. Bye.